Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Saint. Saint means person acknowledged as holy or virtuous. For example, a place dedicated to a 7th century saint. A place dedicated to a 7th century saint.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The cross, the Trinity, and the saints are important Christian symbols. Now, repeat after me. The cross, the Trinity, and the saints are important Christian symbols. The second exempli. The interior reliefs were plastered and painted with Christian saints and angels. Now, repeat after me. The interior reliefs were plastered and painted with Christian saints and angels. The third exempli. We celebrate the lives of past martyrs and saints from the Christian faith. Now, repeat after me. We celebrate the lives of past martyrs and saints from the Christian faith.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word checkmate in chess comes from the Persian phrase Shah mat, meaning the king is helpless.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.